or Jan here from Firefly Craft. I've got a quick project for you today using our foam HTV. Now foam HTV cuts and weaves like regular HTV. It looks very similar right out of the box. This one's been cut and weeded. The cool thing about it is that when we press it, it's going to make a three-dimensional shape in our shirt. Today's design says, "Not today, Satan." It's for all my sisters in Christ out there who are fighting the good fight. So the first thing we're going to do is give our shirt a quick press to get out the moisture and get it nice and preheated. HTV loves when you preheat your fabric. I'm going to put my design on. And with the foam HTV, you only need 6 seconds of pressing time and low pressure as opposed to medium or high so that the foam can expand. And you can hot peel this, but you'll generally find that it peels itself as the foam begins to raise. Thanks for joining us.